Okay. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing a business model that has the potential to generate $1,000 per month. Many people are looking for ways to earn extra income or start their own business online, but they struggle to find a model that is realistic and achievable. Today, we'll explore a business model that has gained popularity and can help you reach that $1,000 per month milestone. Believe me, you will love it. This business model revolves around creating and selling digital products online. Digital products have several advantages. They can be created once and sold repeatedly, they have low overhead costs, and they can be easily distributed online. Digital products can include ebooks, online courses, software, masterclasses, templates, graphics, or even music. To succeed in this business model, it is crucial to choose a profitable niche. First, you start by researching, identifying a niche where there is a demand for digital products. Once you've identified a potential niche, narrow it down to a specific target audience or problem that you can address. First, it has to be a problem and then the solution. Now, when you know your niche, you know the problem that's there in your niche, you can easily find a solution for it. Your digital product, your digital course will be able to provide a solution to that niche. Then second, you have to, before creating the product, you have to invest your time in planning and outlining the content or features of a digital product. Now, create valuable content that addresses the needs and challenges of your target audience. Not just their needs, but their most pressing needs, where they need solution for. Pay attention to the packaging and presentation of your digital product. Now, you ensure it is visually appealing and user-friendly. It should not be complicated, it should not be too bogus, it should not be ambiguous, it should be user-friendly, easy to understand, easy to access. Now, you create a sales funnel to guide potential customers from awareness to purchase. Definitely. Now, you establish a website or landing page to showcase your product and capture leads. Don't forget to attach a picture to wherever you're taking your leads to. Then you utilize various marketing strategies such as social media marketing, content marketing, email marketing, Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, and collaboration with influencers. Then you set a price that is competitive and offers value to your customers while also considering your profit margin. Definitely, you will not want to do something that you will not profit at the end. Now, once you start generating sales, focus on scaling your business by diversifying your product offerings or expanding into new markets. Now, remember that building a profitable business takes time and effort. You need to be patient, you need to stay consistent, and you need to learn from feedback and adapt as needed. Now, you share examples of individuals who have successfully implemented this business model and generated $1,000 per month. The next thing you need to do is to provide additional tips and best practices for success in this business model, such as effective time management, continuous learning, and customer relationship building. Relationship with your customer, you need to build a user-friendly environment with your customers if you want to sell effectively. Now, business model.
I don't pause. See the next one now. We'll talk about email marketing is a powerful tool. Now we'll talk about how to promote our
digital product using email marketing. Shall I just continue?
Yeah, continue.
Now, to talk about how to promote your product using email marketing, first we need to understand that email marketing is a powerful tool for promoting and selling your digital product. Like, you will love it. Now, these are some keys that you should consider when discussing email marketing, or you want to do email marketing. You need to just have those tips and have those things up here. First, you need to do is to build an email list. Now, you explain the importance of building an email list as a valuable asset for your business. Then you highlight the benefits of having direct access to your audience inbox, allowing you to communicate and nurture relationships with potential customers. Then you discuss different methods for growing an email list, such as offering free resources, creating lead magnets, or implementing opt-in forms on your website. The second thing you need to consider is crafting effective email campaigns. This means that you have to explain the importance of crafting compelling and engaging email campaigns. Then you need to discuss the element of a successful email, including a captivating subject line, personalized content, a clear call to action, and a mobile-friendly design. Then you need to emphasize the need to provide value in every mail by offering useful information, useful, valuable information, includes exclusive discounts, amazing discounts. Everyone loves discounts, so you should include that. Then also an access to relevant resources. Then the third thing you need to consider is segmenting your email list. What does this mean? First, you need to discuss the business of segmenting your email list based on different criteria, such as your demographics, your interests, or your past purchase behavior, or something about that though. Then you explain how segmentation allows you to send targeted and relevant content to specific segment, increasing the chances of conversion definitely. Then you provide examples of how segmentation can be used, such as sending personalized product recommendations or tailored offers. Now the fourth thing you need to consider is automation and email sequences. Now we talk about the advantage of using email automation and sequences to streamline your email marketing efforts. Then you need to explain how automation allows you to send pre-scheduled emails based on specific triggers or actions taken by subscribers. Then you need to discuss the use of email sequences to nurture leads and guide them through a series of emails, providing valuable information and building trust. Now, the fifth thing you must consider is analyzing and optimizing email performance. What we mean by this is that you need to highlight the importance of analyzing email metrics such as open rates, click-through rate, and conversion rate. And you also need to discuss how tracking these metrics can help you understand what works and what needs improvement in your email campaigns. You need to track every part of those. Then another thing you must consider is encourage the use of A/B testing to experiment for different subject line. It will help you reduce your costs and all of that. And then you need to attach a call to action also. And then you also need to attach an email design to optimize performance. Then the sixth most important thing, this is actually important, you should put it down, is ensuring compliance and building trust. You cannot sell to someone that don't trust you. You can sell to someone that does not believe in your brand or whatever it is you're selling. So one of the things that you must do is to mention the importance of adhering to email marketing regulations and best practices, such as including as an unsubscribe option and respecting subscribers. Okay. An unsubscribed option and respecting subscribers' privacy. Then you also need to discuss the significance of building trust with your audience by delivering valuable content, also honoring commitments, and also maintaining consistent communication. Whichever platform you can use to maintain communication is so good, and you're good to go. Then the seventh thing you need to also attach to this is an ad campaign monitoring and iteration. This is such that you emphasize the importance of monitoring your ad campaigns regularly on a regular basis to ensure they are performing as expected, as you desire. So at least it's not that you're just spending money without any better performance. You understand? Then the next thing you need to do is to discuss the need for ongoing iteration and optimization, such as adjusting targeting, refining ad copy, or refreshing visuals based on performance data. And then you need to encourage viewers to experiment and iterate to find the most successful combination of targeting, and also your ad formats, and then your creative elements for their digital product.